Hi, this is Mariah from Chronic Mom Life. I am a chronic illness warrior living with dystonia and ulcerative colitis. And not only that, I'm a special needs mom. My youngest son has Down syndrome and is a heart patient, congenital heart defects, and currently he has a pacemaker. So I know a little bit about getting completely overwhelmed with medical information and how to remember it. I talked in this post a little bit about creating a medical binder, and that is a really important way to get your records organized, but sometimes you want to have something with you that you can throw in your backpack or purse and take with you to the doctor. So that's why I created this. It's 8.5 by 11 inches. It has a soft matte cover. Excuse my cluttered desk. This is just an easy way to keep your most important information at hand if you're like me and live with brain fog and you're always trying to remember things over and over and over again. This is an easy way to keep your most important information at hand. On the first page we have medical overview. You can put your health insurance information, other insurance information, allergies, blood types. On the second page is medical history. The all-important family medical history. It's nice to have it written down so you don't have to remember it over and over again. Your doctor's information. I included 2 pages because some of us just have a lot of doctors to keep track of. Medical checkups. I am personally notorious for losing track of some of my well visits and follow-ups, so this is just an easy way to track what you've done that month, when you need to go back, when was the last time you had your annual, that kind of thing. Home glucose readings. This doesn't take the place of a daily glucose log if you need that. This is just to track things over time. I'm not a diabetic, although my husband is. This is just to keep kind of a general record that you can take with you to the doctor, but it's not a daily. It doesn't serve. It's 1 page. It doesn't serve as a daily glucose reading. If you need to track your blood pressure over time, there's a page for that. Your medications list. Really, I could have and should have put supplements here as well. Maybe in a future update, I will do that because it is important if you're taking any kind of supplements, or if you're a medical marijuana patient, your doctors need to know that information as well. Your surgery history, if applicable, immunizations, illness tracker, symptoms tracker, test results, monthly health tracker. This is a 2-page spread. This is really flexible. You can use it to log your symptoms, appointments, anything that makes you feel like you've got things written down so you can refer back to them. Medical expenses. We have the lovely out-of-pocket expenses and co-pays. I'm forever going to the doctor and finding out that I have a credit or there's a copay due, so this can help you track those. Dental visits. And then the basic 2-page spread of this log is you have journal space on the left, and on the right you have a spread, the date, doctor, reason for today's visit, your vitals, questions, diagnosis, treatment plan. I made this big journal space because if you're like me, you always have lots of questions and you take notes about everything, and maybe while you're waiting an hour for the doctor to see. You're sitting on the internet and you find something else and you want to write down notes, or maybe you need to take notes about where the doctor's office is. Really, to use it as you see fit. I have notes all over the place that I always lose, so this seemed to be an easier way to keep track of things. And the rest of the book is filled with these. This is a journal that's designed for people, for medical patients or people like special needs parents who need to write a lot of things down and track a lot of things. So, and then at the very end of the book, I put a few extra pages of graph paper, any other notes that you want to take. So this is a resource that you can always refer back to. And I have designed prettier covers that I'm linking to below this video. I hope this journal helps you. If you have any suggestions how I could make it even better, I would love to hear them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.